Are you a YouTuber, streamer, or some other content creator that's creating on a budget of $0? If so, then I've got 7 free programs to help you create, and that's next. DeadSockPuppet here. Welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time visiting, make sure to subscribe below. And remember to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. So let's jump right into these 7 free programs for content creators on a budget. So program number 1 is Audacity. Audacity is a free, easy-to-use, multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac OS X, GNU, Linux, and other operating systems. Basically, this is a great place where you can record audio, edit audio. It's great for cleaning up any audio that you have on your videos, if you're making YouTube videos, for doing voiceovers, for recording for podcasts. Great free program. Here's a look at the interface. It's pretty simple. Just your basic options here. You can record, play back, forward, rewind the tracks. There's a bunch of different audio adjustments that you can make. You can change what type of input that you're using. Like I said, you can either create an audio file from Audacity itself, or you could pull in audio from another program or something that you ripped out of a video to do some work through. But like I said, it's a pretty simple to use. There's tons of videos online, tutorials on how to use it. Great way to do any audio editing. Software number 2 is Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D creation suite. It supports the entirety of 3D pipeline, modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking, and even video editing and game creation. Again, kind of like Audacity, Blender is a ton of different features, different animation work that you can do here, making different videos, text, any type of graphics, any type of design that you'd want to do to give your content a little bit more flair. Again, this has tons of great videos, step-by-step processes on how to do everything from animating text to adding textures and different content, how to render videos, how to pull frames out. It's a great little program. Our third program is GIMP. It's the new image manipulation program. GIMP is a freely distributed program for such tasks as photo editing, retouching, image composition, and image authoring. So GIMP is kind of a free version of Photoshop. It allows you to do any type of image editing. It's great for making graphics, for doing any type of channel art that you need to do, panels on a streaming channel, banners, and images for any of your social media. So GIMP is your image manipulation software. It's got a wide range of tools for doing anything from adding text. You can set alignments. You can change background colors. There's tools to change the background to transparent, to create images to put onto thumbnails, to create actual thumbnails, banners, any type of channel art. Very simple program, has pretty much the same kind of functionality as Photoshop does. Again, just with all the other programs that are on here, it has tons of videos on YouTube to help you create new works with it. Program number 4 is Inkscape. Inkscape is a professional quality vector graphics software which runs on Windows, Mac OS X, and GNU Linux. It's used by design professionals and hobbyists worldwide to create a wide variety of graphics such as illustrations, icons, logos, diagrams, maps, and web graphics. Inkscape can be a more complex program than GIMP, give you a little bit more flexibility than that, not up to the same level as using Blender, where you're going to be doing the more 3D drawing, but it gives you a nice kind of step in between. So again, Inkscape, image software. Like I said, it's a bit of a step up from the GIMP software, but kind of in between that and Blender. Another great program with a bunch of different tools, capabilities, functions that you can do, creating different types of images, adding text to them, filling in the backgrounds, pull colors from an image to then do color match work. But it's another just great option if you're looking for something free to do image work. Program number 4 is OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. OBS is a free and open source streaming and recording program maintained by the OBS project. The program has support for Windows 7 and later, OS X 10.10 and later, and Ubuntu 14.04 and later. So OBS is basically recording and streaming software. You can use it for recording any type of game streaming, content creation streaming. I currently use it for recording my screenshots for any of my YouTube videos, so that's currently what I'm using here. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So as you can see here, I'm actually doing my screen cap for this video. This is basically just running. I have my inputs set. You can set any type of additional windows. You can throw overlays on here for streaming. You have a bunch of different options for how you can set the output. Currently, you can see I'm using this and I'm just recording. You can set it up for streaming, but it's a great way to come in, manipulate your content, and then broadcast it back out or record it. Program number 6 is Shotcut. Shotcut is a free, open source, cross-platform video editor for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is the software that I use for editing my YouTube videos and my content. It's a great little program, has a lot of the same features as some of the more big name programs. Not all of them, but it does for someone that's just starting out or someone that's on a budget. It does the job really well. So this is the main screen for Shotcut. It's the video editing software that I was mentioning. You have multiple different tracks that you can put in, so you can put audio, video tracks together. You can add in images, text. It's not super fully featured, but it does get the job done for someone that's creating content on a budget. And finally, number 7, VLC Media Player, or VideoLAN Client Media Player. VLC is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. VLC is a great program for just running your standard music. If you're just looking for a music player, it is good for if you're trying to edit audio on videos. You can use it to load your video in, strip out audio, fix the audio, then either splice it back in using, say, Shotcut, or put it back in with VLC. It's a great way to help just clean that kind of stuff up. So here is the main screen for the VLC media player. It's pretty simple. You can add skins though to give it a little bit of a custom look and add different additional components to it. But this is the base program. As I said, it just allows you to play any type of media file or the majority of the popular media files, and then you can do various work with them. There you have it. 7 free programs that you can use to create content for free. Each program has a ton of great features and functionality, so I encourage you to download them all and test them out for yourself. Here's a question for you. Which of these programs is your favorite? Leave a comment below, and if there's a program that you prefer that I didn't cover, leave a comment below with the name of the program, where it can be found, and what the program is used for. Finally, please remember to share and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't already, remember to click the puppet logo below, subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any new content. And as always, thank you for watching. Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel and watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notified when I release new content. And if you're still interested, please check out the video in the bottom right hand corner to see additional content. Thanks again.